What's going on, guys? So we are with you today. We're going to do an unboxing video on this Tacklife digital meter. I'm a fan of Tacklife tools. If you've watched any of our videos, I've done some unboxings on some other Tacklife tools, do some reviews on them. I utilize their tools when I'm doing my handyman work and stuff, and they're just a good quality tool at a quality price. You know, I don't know. I'm a fan of Tacklife tools. What can I say? So we're going to get into the unboxing here. And the first thing I see is a screwdriver. I'm not sure. We got a screwdriver with the tool here. Let's see. We got a warranty card and a user manual. And we've got 3 batteries in here. Looks like 3 AAAs. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. Let's see. So here is going to be our actual meter. This is the Tacklife DM10 meter. Now, one of the reasons that I ordered this is because right now, to do any type of electrical work, I'm utilizing 2 different tools. I'm using a handheld meter similar to this, and then I'm using a little pin tester to test for voltage. If I flip the breakers off, I want to make sure that there's no power on it. And yeah, I could carry the meter around all the time and test it with the 2 leads and things of that nature. But the cool thing about this is it has this NCV up here at the top to where you can set this to that, and you're supposed to be able to hold it up to an outlet or to a cord and tell that it's got power, and it registers it in here. It's also got this nice little LED light right here that'll help out when you're trying to do different little things and you just need a quick light. You can pop it on and shine it where you need to. So this does voltage, AC and DC. It'll do resistance. It'll test diodes. And it'll do voltage check as far as determining if there's voltage on the line. Let's see, looks like on the back, well, it's got a nice little kickstand here where we can set it up. So that would work out pretty good. And to get the batteries in, I know what the screwdriver's for now. Has a small Phillips head screw back here in the back. So we're going to take it out with the provided screwdriver, which is magnetic. That's pretty cool. And then we'll pull the cover back out of it and start putting our batteries in. Let's see. Make sure it's going to work. And it is. So now we will put our cover back on for our battery door. Put our screw back in with our nicely provided screwdriver here. There we go. So now we have our meter in operation. Nice big display on it. I like that, especially for me since I got glasses. Sometimes hard for me to see. We've got what looks to be the backlight. So we've got a backlight display. That's going to make it even better, especially if like working under the house in the attic, something to that extent. Maybe working on a house that the power's cut off and you're trying to check and make sure of everything. You got this ability to turn that backlight on. We'll pop that off, and the next button over turns on the nice little LED light. This is not super bright, as you can see. However, it will do enough to help you find something or just isolate a circuit. We can shut that off. We have function capabilities that lets us select back and forth. There's a hold button, and then you can do AC voltage, which is going to be all the way over here to the side. Actually, no, that says DC. Let's see. Function. So when we're over here in the voltage selector, basically all we have to do is hit the function button, and we're going to be able to switch between DC and AC. That's pretty neat. No separate settings on there. You just flip it over and you can do either or. We flip it over to the NVC sector, and this is the part where we should be able to stick it to like an outlet or something to that extent and test it. I've got an outlet right here behind me. You can barely see it off screen here, and we'll just let's see. I guess if I put it on AC instead of DC, it may pick up. Yep. Now, I don't know how well you can hear that, but it's actually flashing this light on the front right here as it's doing that. I'll do a review on this thing that gets a little bit more in depth with the settings and selections, especially once I went through the manual, kind of figured it out and understood it. It comes with nice cables here. These seem to be pretty sturdy feeling. They're relatively heavy feeling, so they feel like they're going to be a good quality. We've got protective covers over the ends. Let's see, we can disconnect that, and we got a little alligator clip ends for it here. Those are nice, like that. Let's see, we'll pop these in real quick. There we go. Nice little insert there that was protecting it. Plug that one into there. And we'll plug this one in over here. We'll switch over to resistance and just want to test the tone. There we go. Now I'm sure you can hear that, showing that we've got continuity there. So guys, that's pretty much it. That's what comes in the box. It's pretty neat that they provide the screwdriver so you can put the batteries in. They also provide 3 Tacklife batteries. These are alligator clips. These are game changer type things. I actually like this concept because it would allow me to clip on to a ground circuit and just leave that clipped on, and then allow me to go over and test, especially if I'm doing stuff on circuit boards and things of that nature. This is going to come in real handy right here. Now this meter doesn't come with a case. Most everything that Tacklife sells does come with a case. You can purchase a case separately online. I think they're like 10, 12 bucks, something like that. Either way, I'll link to this meter down in the description. I'll also put a link for the case that you can purchase to go with it, to hold everything together. But guys, that concludes our unboxing video on our Tacklife DM10 meter. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. By all means, stick with us. We're going to be coming to you with more. Give us a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Drop comments and questions down below. And as always, we appreciate you tuning in.